Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for honest and detailed insights on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best drones in 2025, exploring the most exciting and high-performing drones you can get this year. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you don't miss any future reviews. And if you want to grab any of these amazing drones, you can check all the product links in the description box below. Let's get started. Starting off our list is the DJI Flip, a lightweight drone under 249 grams with a 4K UHD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and an impressive 44,000 feet, 13-kilometer video transmission range. It features palm takeoff, auto return, and a 31-minute flight time. With full coverage carbon fiber propeller guards, this drone is ultra safe, making it ideal for adventurous pilots. Next, the Potensic Atom 2 brings 4K HDR video and 8K photo capabilities with a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor. Under 249 grams, it requires no FAA registration, and its 3-axis gimbal ensures stable shots. This drone supports a 10-kilometer transmission range with the upgraded remote, AI-powered object tracking, and night shooting for crisp low-light footage. With vertical shooting, 4x digital zoom, quick shots, and cinematic video modes like dolly zoom and slow motion, the Atom 2 is perfect for capturing cinematic visuals, and the Fly More combo gives you up to 96 minutes of flight time. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a powerhouse for serious aerial photography, featuring a 48-megapixel camera with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and 4K/60 frames per second video on a 3-axis gimbal. OcuSync 2.0 offers a 10-kilometer video transmission range, while ActiveTrack 3.0, Spotlight 2.0, and POI 3.0 keep your subjects perfectly framed. With a 34-minute flight time and 3-direction obstacle sensing, it's safer and easier to fly than ever. Whether capturing landscapes or moving subjects, this drone delivers pro-level shots every time. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact, under 249-gram drone that doesn't require FAA registration for recreational flying. Its 4K HDR camera, with dual native ISO fusion, delivers stunning imagery, while true vertical shooting is perfect for social media content. With a 38-minute flight time, extendable to 51 minutes with Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, and level 5 wind resistance, the 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures ultra-stable footage. Topping our list, the DJI Avata 2 brings an immersive FPV flying experience with goggles that make you feel like you're in the cockpit. Its intuitive motion control and easy ACRO mode let you perform flips, rolls, and power loops effortlessly. Compatible with a wide range of DJI goggles and controllers, it features a 155-degree super-wide FOV, 1/1.3-inch image sensor, 4K/60 frames per second footage, and 4K/100 frames per second slow-motion video. Built-in propeller guards, simple controls, and adrenaline-pumping flight capabilities make the Avata 2 perfect for both beginners and pros looking for cinematic and thrilling aerial shots.